Have you ever heard of butter slim biscuits? I hadn't either until recently, but here is my take on it. I took 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of granulated garlic, and of course I had to add 1 tablespoon of veggie. And here I'm just blending all of my dry ingredients together. Next, you'll see me adding 1.5 cups of buttermilk. And now I'm just mixing everything all together. I had already grated an 8-ounce block of cheddar cheese. I will be adding most of it to the mixture, and I will reserve the rest to top the biscuits later on in the video. And I almost forgot, I wanted to add a tablespoon of sugar to this as well. I had already preheated my oven to 450, and I went ahead and decided to melt my stick of butter into my baking dish. And now I'm just taking my biscuit mixture and just trying to spread it as evenly as possible throughout this dish. And now I'm just about to pre-cut my biscuits. It'll make it easier for them to come out of the pan once they finish cooking. So now these are the biscuits after cooking for 15 minutes on 450. And now I'll be topping the remainder of that cheese, and I'll be putting it back in the oven for 5 minutes until that cheese melts. So here we go. This is the finished product. This is my take on butter slim biscuits, and I hope you like the recipe and try it out. And of course, purchase your Drek seasonings today.